Hey there, welcome to day 943 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting my journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. Up at the cabin this weekend. I've got actually a wedding this weekend as well, which is pretty exciting. Haven't been to a wedding in, yikes, I don't remember when I've been to a wedding, but it's been, all through COVID at least. And thinking about change challenges, and I got to thinking, well, isn't every challenge, at least the challenges that we face online and offline and in our everyday life, isn't every single one of them really about change? It's about a result that we want to get that we're not getting yet, so we join a challenge or we challenge ourselves to get that result. And I still say challenges are the fastest, easiest way to get any result that you want in your life. It causes us to focus and be specific, and all kinds of other reasons. I've done thousands and thousands of challenges for myself and with other people. And to me, challenge and change are synonyms. They mean the same thing. There's all kinds of names for the challenges, obstacles, hurdles, mistakes, failures, setbacks, roadblocks, whatever you want to call them. They're all, we want a result and we don't have it yet. So we want to overcome that, whatever it is, that thing that it is, which means the only way that's going to happen is we change something, right? Usually it's we have to change our behavior or do something different or take some action in order to make that happen. So today was day 28 of the Get Up and Go Challenge. And I love the Get Up and Go Challenge. I'm using a framework called the SOAP framework, which just seems so appropriate during COVID-19, right? We're using more soap, more antiseptic, more hand sanitizer, more Lysol, more chemicals, more different ways of cleaning things, than we ever thought possible. Took a picture the other day of the entrance when you first come into my house, because normally I've got a cute coat rack or some knickknacks or something there, but now there's a shelf over the stairs and it's about 3 feet long and it's all full of Lysol, sanitation, Clorox wipes, hand sanitizer in a couple of different forms, gloves, face masks, just things that we never thought we'd keep on the front entrance of our homes. So I was laughing about that, and it just goes to show us that change is inevitable. We never know when it's going to come, but it comes usually to all of us at different times and pretty much continuously throughout our lives. And COVID has been one of those experiences, that we're all going through together. Even though the experience is unique and different and personal to each one of us, we're still all making massive changes and being impacted by the same thing, the same root cause, right? The root cause is COVID-19, the pandemic, the virus, and then the symptoms are all the ways it's impacting us, and then we're each taking different actions, although many of them are similar and the same. I mean, now many places masks are required to go into a business, to go out and go into some place other than your home. I suspect there's probably some people wearing masks around inside their houses, which kind of cracks me up. Inside their cars when they're driving by themselves, that one makes me snicker a little bit too. I find it really hard to breathe through a mask, so I wear it the minimum to get by. I wear it to be safe, keep myself and other people safe, because I am at risk, like many people that I know, of having major challenges if we get COVID. So I make sure that I'm super duper safe. I don't pretty much go anywhere. I do go for walks outside and I don't wear my mask. Some people are walking outdoors with their masks on, and I don't know if it's because they're sick or if they're worried about germs and being protected, but again, each of us have to decide what's right for us and then do that. And then remember to treat people the way we want to be treated, because there's nothing worse than when we're not treating each other kindly. And there's a whole lot of not treating one another kindly going on right now for other people's manipulative reasons, not because of us as human beings. All right, so today we talked about mistakes. Mistakes were part of the 365-day fun challenge, which we're on day 234 of that. So 234 days of doing one fun thing every day. A little book, do one fun thing every day. And 2020 was the perfect year to do a fun challenge, because every day we need to find something that we can smile about and have fun with every single day. Even if it's mistakes. Guess what? We make mistakes. I don't know about you, but I mess something up or make some kind of a mistake almost every single day. Even if it's just spilling my coffee. I haven't done that yet today. I'm pretty surprised. Yesterday I spilled a bunch of water, and I could beat myself up, or I can say, okay, spilled a bunch of water, let's wipe it up, and guess what? Now that little area of my life is cleaner than it was before I spilled the water. Get Up and Go Challenge today was about contribution. Why are we here? Why are you here on the planet? There's 7 main areas of our life: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, financial, relationships, and contribution. And contribution answers the bigger question, the bigger, why am I here? Why am I even existing? And what am I going to do with this opportunity, with this life? What kind of an impact or an influence do I want to have here on the planet? Maybe I don't want to have any. Maybe you just want to skim by and fly under the radar and just enjoy your life. Whatever it is for you is your path, your journey, what it is for you. So we talked about that and went through an example using the SOAP framework. The idiom today was Dutch treat, which is why I have dollar bills, because I couldn't think of anything else that represented Dutch treat. And how we as business owners, if you happen to be a business owner, or just as human beings, want to behave and want to be treated with respect to how we pay for things, how we interact with the businesses that we work for. And again, with COVID, huge changes coming down the pipe with respect to how we work, and remembering that it's gonna, every change opens up new problems, but also new opportunities. And every problem is an opportunity to solve that problem, right? So it's really about, are we looking for solutions? So that opens up a whole new can of worms of how businesses react moving forward. One of the things I noticed and heard about yesterday, which I kind of laughed, and it's not funny, haha laughing, it's ridiculous laughing, is different businesses and different industries are now adding a COVID charge or a COVID fee or a COVID surcharge. It reminds me of the days in food manufacturing when gas prices were high and the suppliers, certain suppliers and certain vendors added a gas charge, a gas expense to your invoice, across the board percentage of the amount of money you spent, or a flat delivery fee with a surcharge because gas had gone up. I have very mixed feelings about that. Mostly my feelings toward that are negative. It's a cost of doing business. Our supplies and our suppliers and prices change all the time. And it's our responsibility as business owners to build that into our framework and the way we do business, and then charge our customers accordingly. Customers know that they're gonna pay for the increased cost of doing business. And then they choose whether they're gonna do business with you or not based on that. But if you add a COVID surcharge, you're saying, I'm blaming something outside of me for my business expenses being more than they should be. Or I want you, when you come to my business now, to help me pay for the missed opportunity or the money I didn't make because my business was shut down for 6 months. I think people that do that are gonna find that people are clearly gonna say, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna go to Joe's restaurant instead of Jack's, because Joe built into his pricing and into his way of doing business the cost of that missed opportunity, or he figured out a way to make it a positive experience for me, versus you in my face saying, hey, I'm going to help you, or I'm going to make you help me pay for my lost opportunity with COVID. It's an interesting bag of worms. All right, that's all I've got today. I'm going to go hang out with my family and have an awesome weekend. I encourage you to do the same. If I can help you in any way, hit me up, ask in the comments below. Otherwise, I'm going to keep working on my projects, and you keep working on yours, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow and let you know what I'm up to, what's working, what's not, what is interesting in my world as I transition from offline to online. All right, have a great day.